Hello, 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 hello. Am I late? Maybe, maybe not. Hello. Let me just quickly set my stream up. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay, so no, no, wrong account. What am I doing? It's the wrong account. Okay, I am live. Okay, I am live. Okay, 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 okay. Nice. So today, what I'm gonna do is make an API for the retrieval. Okay, let me share the screen. It, why can't you see it? Okay, nice. So yesterday we did the um, user controller where we made an API to add the new task. Now today our plan is to make an API to so that user can see his tasks, see all tasks, public all tasks. It will return string for now. For now, it will. No, 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 no. It will not return strings. It will return a set of. It will return set of what user tasks. Yeah, right. It will return a set of user tasks. I mean, we want to know what tasks it user has, right? It will not return string. What will it ask? It will ask for nothing. It will just return the user tasks. So how are we going to do that? We have to make a service, user service here to make a function public. It will return a set of user tasks, set of user tasks. Okay, port class all. As argument, will it take any argument? Will it have any argument? No, I don't think so. No, it will not have any argument. So we need the current user. Okay, so for listing out all the tasks, we have a function. Let me see what function from another project. Mm, find all. Okay, find all. It's called find all. So what it's simply going to do is uh, we need to do it for a particular user, right? So how we're going to do for a particular user, string username for user ID. We can get the user ID through this. Uh, okay, we need this code right here to load the user, right? Now we don't want to get using username get. Okay, it's only as username. Okay, for now we will get from username. Okay, we have the user. Now uh, it will return set of tasks, right? Return um, user repo, user repo dot find all. I won't find all, but it will list everything, right? Not for a particular user. It will not list for a particular user. It will list for everything. Let me ask ChatGPT. Okay, I want to show. You can't see it, right? Wait, let me. Okay, I want to show all tasks from DB, but for a particular user. Will find all function do it? What? Find by user. Oh, wait, we have that option? Find by user? Find by username. But what will it do? But it will return. Yes, it will return user. It will return user. It will not return the set of tasks. Uh, Let me see again. List of tasks, get my tasks, string email. How? No, I don't get it. I don't get it. How is it loading all the to-do list from the DB for the current user. No, I don't want this. I want where the email comes from. We have to select from. Okay, I think I'll have to make a repository for that. We'll have to make a repository for the user tasks. Okay, which will get the data from the task repo. I'll have to make a repo. It is a repository. Okay, wait, you can't see it. See, it is a repository. It extends JPA repository. What will it have? User tasks. User task. What does user task have? It will list user task. User task have ID, description and time, and completed. Description, time, and completed. I want these three. So why don't I make a DAO for this? I can make a, okay, we have a data transfer object here. We can make it. I don't, I want to make a different data access object package, DAO package. Okay, here I will make a tasks DAO. Is there an instruction for a DAO? No. Okay, let it be. It's not using for that. It's not getting used for that. Okay, what will it have? It will have a uh, private string, private string description, and it will have a private string uh, and time and private boolean completed. Okay, let's make the getters and setters. Get setters for all. Let's make constructor for all, and another constructor for none. Okay, so our data text object is done. It will have a task style and its ID. It doesn't have ID. It doesn't have an ID. Okay, let it be. I have to add private string ID. We are not storing it in database, so it's okay. Not string ID, it's long ID. It's a long ID. Okay, wait, repository, long ID. task talk. Okay, it's done. Now in the user service, I will make one auto wired. Uh, what user tasks? User tasks. Okay. Now here user tasks dot find all will load all. Uh, find by username. It need to have find by username. I'm not getting the user ID, right? So how am I going to do it? Where is that user service? Here I can get the username, but not user ID. How to get the ID of current user? Mhm. Uh, 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 let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. Filter get username. It's not. It doesn't have get ID. Mhm. from DB. I don't have an email. I don't have an email. Long id is equal to user dot get id. Okay, I got the id. Find all by id, and id is id. Wait. It doesn't have a built-in function. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, okay, is it done? Okay, all right. Will it return everything now? Will it return? Okay, let's make here uh, return uh, user service dot all. Okay, it should return all. It let me take it at the rate get mapping. Will it have get mapping or post? Let me see. Okay, all. It will have a get mapping, right? Now let's run it and see. Okay, let me see in the database. Uh, MySQL. Now let me just see. Okay, I did a mistake. MySQL. Let me see which tasks, which is have multiple tasks. Use to do list. Select star from task. User ID number 2 means Peter. Okay, we'll have to log in from Peter. Let me run Postman. Let me share Postman. Okay, Postman is shared, right? No? Okay, Postman is not shared. Why is Postman not shared? Uh, okay, Postman. No, it should be shared. No, I can't see it. Okay, I'll have to make another. Yes. Wait, just a second, guys. Postman. Okay, now you can see it. So here I will make a new API, get method, localhost. Okay, I didn't run the application. Wait, I didn't run the application. Okay, let me run. Wait, what happened? Tasks tau. Okay, the task. We mentioned task tau. We didn't use task tau anywhere. Okay, tasks. Task tau long. Okay. Yeah, right. We didn't map it. How is gonna find it from the database? Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Okay. What if okay, it worked. Let me see. My home slash all. So get mapping. Okay, first we have to log in. Where is the login page? Okay, Peter, see. Okay, login successful. Now all the tasks. Oh, what is this? Why is this? Is it a loop? What is this? Completed for description ID 2 user. Oh, it's a loop. It's a loop. It's a loop. That's why I needed to use the DAO. But for DAO, it's not. User repo user. I have to make it as an entity, but I don't want it to be registered in the database. What can I do? What can I do? What if I do find all by ID? Okay, find all by ID dot. It will get everything, but it will return everything from the user. I don't want everything from the user. I want uh, I don't want everything. I just want the tasks. Let me see my database. Right, it doesn't have that. I will have to make a DAO repo for user tasks. Find all by ID in user tasks. In user tasks, it have the user ID also. Okay. It might work. This might work. This should work. Now login using Peter. Okay. Now get all. Again all. Okay. Wait. Again 3000 lines. Completed false description ID time User. Why user? Why user? Why user? It have field of it have ID, completed, time and user ID. Why? Okay, it's good. Select that user name from user roles. Okay, the description and time. In the task. Why is this running? User ID is equal to this. Okay, user ID. Okay, okay, okay. But if I do this, it will not get the. What if I do? Will it do? No. If I make this an entity, it will make a. Uh, no. I have to make it an entity. But if I make it an entity, it will make. What is entity result? If I make it an entity, it will work, I know, but it will make a class. It will make a table in the database. I don't want that. I want to import from this table. Okay, I'll have to see. Mm, 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 mm. I don't want the loop. Okay, this is the solution for the loop. Where is the user? Uh, tasks. This is the solution. And here, where is it? User tasks, and here, JSON back reference. Now it should work. Where is repo? Not this one, not task top, user task. Now it should work. Use service, task find all by ID. Now it should work. And I knew it for the long time that it will remove the loop, but I was trying to do something else, but it's not working. So, okay, completed false watching TV ID too. But Peter has more than one, right? Watch TV and drink water. Peter has two. Peter has two. Oh, no, 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 no. We have to find by user ID, not ID. Okay, 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 I get it, I get it, I get it. It's showing by ID of user ID. You have to search using user ID. No, 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 no. It will not work. It will not work like this. It will show the. No, 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 no. Okay, we will have to take the help from the ChatGPT. Let me share first. Let me take the screenshot. Okay, my table looks like this. Now, if I do find all by ID, it shows the task with ID of current task, task ID's task. I want to show from all tasks of user ID is equal to this. Let's see. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Okay. Okay, okay. I just have to do that. Find all by user ID. Okay, that's okay. I get it now. This shows my concepts are not very much clear. Okay, so what I did is create find all by user ID. So it will search in the database using the user ID. Oh, that's really nice. Let's see. I didn't know this one, right? See, we are learning. We are learning. I will explain what I learned. Okay, just let me test. Let me test. Let me just first log in. Peter logged in. Now show the task for Peter. Okay, it's done. It's showing, it's showing, it's showing, it's showing, it's showing. Now, okay, let me explain what it actually means. See, when I create this find all by ID, so what it does in the query, okay, I closed it. Okay, let me say the scene and explain from ChatGPT. It gave the same thing. Where's my ChatGPT? Okay, so when I do find by user ID, not typing this user, I do for find all by ID. What SQL does is find all by select star from user task where ID is equal to our provided input. But when I do find all by user ID, it filters using user ID. So if in future, if I want something to solve using some specific condition, then I will just have to create a function and don't even have to write give its definition. The data JP already does that for me, but I just have to mark the filter name like user ID or name in front of find all by, right? So this is what Spring is doing. So here we are getting find all by user ID and this is drink water and 155 you can see here is correct. User ID 2, drink water and watch TV. So it's done for our user, it's done. It was really great. Oh, man, I really, really didn't knew that. I learned something today, man. I learned something. It's really good. I learned a really good thing today. It's a really good thing I learned today. Okay, so I don't need this task stove. Where is the task stove? Let me just delete it. Okay, I don't need that one. It also, okay, everything's done, right? Completed false. So now what I have to do is uh, an API to make the task as completed and to mark this false as true. I have to make that API. What's the time? Okay, we can make it. We have time. So let's make another controller at the rate. We'll have to make it post mapping. Uh, Done. Let's make it done. But we'll also have to provide the ID for which we are getting it done. Task name and mark it done. Name of the task. What we're getting here in the postman is Completed drink water, time and ID. Okay, we are getting the ID, right? We are getting the ID. So we'll find by ID and make it true. Find by ID. But how will the user know the ID? Okay, the serial number. Okay. No, it's not good. Find by description, maybe. If you find it by description, then like drink water and mark it as like now. See, it's a mini project. I'm not adding a searching feature where he searches drink water and select it and mark it as true. We don't have a UI, so we'll have to do it manually. Okay, so let's do it. Done. And done slash we'll have to provide some here description. Okay, public. What will it return? It will return the user task. It will return the user task. Its name will be mark done. Okay, instead of adding it here, I can request something. Request request parameter, right? Request parameter of string, string description, right? Now I will have to either here return the user task. So let's make a service for that. Public, uh, it will return user task. This user task, uh, and let's name it done. It will get an argument, string, string description. Okay, now we'll have to get it using the user ID. Find by user ID. Find by description. What's the name of it in its name of its description? So in this repo, find by find by description. See, what we just learned is getting used here. Find by description, string description, find by description. Right, is a task done. String description. Now, what we just have to do, we have to load the user, right? So this is what we will do, loading the user. We don't have to. We don't have to load the user. Hmm. But what if two people have the same task description? We'll have to make the user. Okay. I have the user ID now. And now what I have to do is okay, it's already returning the set of tasks. I have the user ID. Can I make nested query? I need nested query here. I need nested query. How will I make it? If I do this, return uh, what? Return user tasks dot find all by, oh, not in the user repo. Sorry. Find by description. If I do this, it will find. Wait, it's not working. Okay. If I do this, it will return all. It will do select star from user tasks where description is equal to this description. But what I want to do is, but if two users have the same description, it will display for the another user too. Can I make nested query? Can I do that? Okay, let me ask how to do it. Now I want that select. I want to add two filters. You can say it with two filters like user task and then particular user, particular task. If I do find by user, find by description, it will show of other users too. Yes, I want exactly this. Combine filters in repository. Oh, oh, it's simple, yeah. Boy, I am so dumb. 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 I just learned it and I'm doing the same mistake. Okay. Description by ID and description. Simple by ID and description. It's so simple. What I was doing, yeah. What I was doing. Okay, no. But wait, what? I didn't provide any ID. Okay, right. I have to provide ID too. Uh, ID here, long ID. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. I have ID. I will have the description. And now here in the controller, what I have to do simply is return what user service dot done and pass the description. Okay, that's all I have to do. Now let's test it. Oh no 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 no! It will just return. We didn't set it complete. We have to set it complete, right? Wait. Just a simple dot set is completed. Okay, it will get this, and I'll have to make it as done. How it's gone done? Set completed. Okay, set completed won't have any input. Completed is equal to true. Okay, now it will work. See, this is where you the basics, the what colleges really teach you. What? No. Wait. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. It doesn't have to return Boolean. I am getting the task, but I didn't mark it as done. The task done. Find all by description. User task. User task. We are finding this task by ID and description, and I have to mark it as done. To mark it as done, it's not working because it will return then this. User tasks. I task. I have to do this. I have to mark it as done. I have to mark it as done. So how will I do that? Uh, okay, okay. I have the task. Now I will what do? Return. No, 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 not return. Uh, task dot is completed, and then return task. It should work. Void. No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. Dot set completed. Wait, can I do then this? Return. No, no, no. It's correct. It's correct. We are getting the task by setting it complete and returning a task. Returning a task into this and then it's showing the task. Okay, then let me copy this. Oh no, 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 not ID, not ID. Wait, wait. Again, the same mistake, same mistake, same mistake. I use service uh, by user ID. Here, the user ID and description. Okay, user ID and description. Right, now it's done. The controller, this is done and done and done. Ah, wait, what? Why? All right, it's DESC, not description. But if I do it DESC, then DESC, and I'll have to make it description. Column name is description. Here it had to be description, but oh no, here is a problem. I can't make it DESC because database have a inbuilt function called DESC. Oh no, 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 I will have to make it full description. Description, description, description. Okay, everything's cool. Let's see. Okay, it worked. See, it worked. How did I knew what I have to do? Well, I did the same mistake in the past, so I learned from it. So I knew exactly what to do. No, it's all from Peter. Another post request, localhost, my home slash uh what done. And I'll have to pass one parameter. What is the name of the parameter? DESC. So post mapping parameter. It's DESC and value is we'll get the value from here. Drink water. Here value is drink water. Send. Okay. Say it's done. It's marked as true. Now if I go here and again send it and ask for it, it's still false. Why? We never stored it into the database, right? Okay, that's the thing we have to do now. We marked it as true, but didn't store it in the database, right? Here, user service task is completed, but we didn't store it. So, user repo dot user repo dot save. Wait. I'll have to do this. User dot. I said the task is completed. User dot uh, the task dot add task. Then user dot user repo dot save user. But it should not save another user, right? Let me confirm it. I don't want to mess up anything. Let me confirm it. Okay. Now I set the task as completed Now, how to store it back into DB? If I do user dot set task, then user repo dot save, will it make another user or save it for the existing user? Okay, it will not create another user. I don't have a task repo, man. I don't have a task repo. So do I have to make a task repository for this? I guess yes. I should not do this. Set task.completed task repo. Okay, I have a task repo, man. I have a task repo. What am I doing here? These small mistakes. Why are we here? To make mistakes and learn from our mistakes. So, user tasks. No, 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 no. Okay, I have user tasks. But it will not save into that. It is, okay, it is a repository. Okay, it will work. It will work. It will work. User task dot save task. Okay, it's good. Now it should work. Okay, now let's log in first. We logged in. Now get it. See, both are false. Now here I will have to mark done. It is a true send. I sent it. It's true. Now if I retrieve it again, it's set as true, right? Okay, it's done. We have, okay, you cannot see my postman. Wait, what did I just do? Let me show you. It's really interesting. See, I first logged in from here using the Peter. I fetched it first. I fetched it first. What it was false. You know, last time you saw it, it was false. Now, then I go to here, I hit this as true, and then if I get again here and fetch the all the tasks again, it fetched it as true. So we are done. What we did, we can add task. We can okay. Let's say add a task. Why not add body description? Okay, play football at 5:30. Okay, send. It's done. Now if I get here and fetch the tasks, see, it have play football ID 4. We have another play football for another user for Harry. But see, we applied the filter. That's why when I do go here add the description as play football, right? It's right. Play football. It's capital. It's play football. And if I send it here, it will mark it as true. See here, it was false, right? Now if I get it here, it's marked as true. See? And the other one for the Harry one. Okay, so let me log out. Okay, log out. Now login using Harry and password. I guess it was 123. Okay, correct. Now if I get to here and get all the tasks, it was play football and it's still false because we didn't mark it true for Harry, we did mark it true for Peter. And if I do go here and now get it done, if I sent it now, if I fetch it, see it's marked as true. So it's working. We can add tasks, we can fetch tasks, we can mark tasks as done. So what else we need to do? Okay, we need to do the one for the admin. So that's not a big deal. We can do it simply. We have to make another controller for admin. For a controller for admin, new uh, admin controller, admin controller. No, it's a it's a REST controller. Here we'll have option not here at the request mapping slash admin. If I start from admin now here we have to get all the tasks, right? So get mapping uh, slash all. Okay, get mapping slash all. Now public, it will return the set of user tasks set of user tasks. It will name all. It won't need anything. This, and you'll have to make a service for user, admin service, new Java class, admin service. Here, see, we are getting faster and faster. So it is service, and here I'm gonna have public. It will return set of user task. It will all task, and it won't need any parameters. Okay, now it will just simply return. Okay, I need an auto wire here, auto wired uh, to list all the tasks, uh, user tasks, tasks, user tasks. Now return uh, user tasks all dot find all. Okay, okay, it's returning list. Why is it returning list? Why is it asking for list? Okay, let's just okay, right. It has to be a list. It has to be a list. Why? Because see, menu we are loading for all the users, right? So if we are loading from for all the users, wait, admin. If we are loading for all the users, some users can have same task description. So for that we can't have set because set can't have duplicate values. List can have. So we are using list. Return admin service dot all task. Okay, simply this. It will return all the tasks. I know it will not be sorted. I know it will not be sorted, but let's see. Let's just see. Okay, admin slash all. Let me show you my postman. Okay, so here I will have to log in from the admin Kshitij. Kshitij 123. Okay, I logged in. Now I'll have to make another API, localhost, uh, admin slash all. Method not allowed. Why? 405 method not allowed. Why? Why method not allowed? Post is not supported. Why? Where is post? I'm using get. Huh? Why? Let's see. I'm not using post mapping. It's get mapping only. Why? Let's see. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. Wait. I'm doing this. Oh, okay. I know why. I didn't make. Oh, no, not here, not here, not here. Okay, I made it. Then why? Slash admin slash all. Wait, am I? Oh, okay, I know. I have to use here get. Okay, let's see now. Oh, what? Connection refuse. Do I need to log in again? Okay, wait. I closed the server. My bad. Let's do it again. So what I was doing is, let me show you first here. So what I was doing is, here I was using post to get the results, but we made get mapping and we need get mapping. Sorry, it was my mistake. So see, I can view all the tasks. See, task not completed, drink water. Okay, but I can't see for what user it is ready for. I can see all the tasks, but not which user having what task. Okay, I will have to fix it. Okay, if I want to do that, then what I can simply do is here I don't have to get the user task, right? Not user service, admin service. Instead of user task, what I need here is auto wired uh, user user repo user repo and dot find all. Okay, okay. Now it should work. Now it should work. See, we are getting better at debugging and writing code too. Let's see now. Login. I will first have to login, login successful. Here, get all. Okay, now can get all. Okay, I can get the password too. No, I didn't. I didn't want that. I didn't want that. I'm getting the username, password, ID, and the roles. I don't want this. I want to know the username too. What can I do now? It doesn't work. It's not showing many tasks. It's showing me tasks, but it's not showing me the username. Okay, what can I do? I can see all the tasks, all the details, but not the user. What can I do? Find all and user ID. Can I do this? Will it work? Well, it should work. I will be able to see the user ID, not username. But that's okay. Admin need to just see the user ID. Let's see. Oh no, 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 no. Something's not right. Find all fault type user task. Okay, right. I can do this. I can do this. No, it wouldn't work. Find all. How will I do that? Find all and okay, let's run and ask ChatGPT for that. Let's run it. Login, then get all. I can get all. Let's copy it and ask ChatGPT. Okay, you are not seeing my IntelliJ, but I did IntelliJ. Okay, that's okay. I did nothing. For admin, I am getting all the tasks, but not the user name or user which the particular task belongs to. Okay, okay, can I do this? Okay, that will be great. No, this will not be great. Okay, okay, okay. Just expose it. What user task? Okay, I will have to use the DTO. Okay, this is I can make. This is what is the main thing. Select ID description, completed end time, UID username from task and join user on this. Hmm. Okay, let's do it. Admin task DTO. Okay, wait, let me share it. Uh, see, I made an admin task DTO. Let me copy all. Okay, now wait. Where do I have to add the query thing? Uh, yeah. No, 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 no. Hmm. User tasks. User tasks. Not find all. This query for objects find all tasks for admin. Now admin service find all tasks for admin. This now I have to do this thing. I will analyze it later, what it's actually doing. Okay, I didn't make the getters and setters. Okay, now let's generate the constructor 2. Constructor, here generate another constructor with none. What? What issue? Right. Admin task. Now in the controller also, it will return list of admin task TTO. Right. It's done. Admin service. And now let me ask one more question to ChatGPT. I am using auto wired. Still need to do this. Okay. Right. Right. Now it should work. Let's see. Okay, still some errors. Okay, wait. I know what's the problem. I know what's the problem. It's not. Okay, it's user task and it's user. See, it's not from user task. From user task. And it's not capital U user, it's small u user on t dot disk id, t dot description, t dot content, t dot end time, t dot id, t dot username, t dot user id, t dot user id is equal to u dot id. Now it should work. No? Let's see. Select t.id, t.description, t.completed, t.endtime, t.u.id, y id, description, completed, end time, user id, description, completed, end time, u dot user id, u dot username. U dot now it should work. Still not working. Let's see why. Select t.id, t.description, t.completed, t.endtime. From user task. Now it should work. Maybe. No. Let's ask ChatGPT why. Let's see. Let's try this. Let's try. Work. Oh, it worked. It worked. Okay. Now, Postman, I have to log in. I have to log in. Login successful. Now I have to get all the tasks. Okay. It's successful. Task ID 1, drink water, completed, time, user ID. And it's Peter, it's for Peter. It's Peter. Okay, it's done. It's successful. We did it. Oh my God. Oh, yes. I feel good. I feel good. I don't think it's a good practice, but why not? We are learning. We learned so much today. See, what was the problem that the data JPA query and the query we use in the SQL are not same. See, the part is the key. User task table name, Spring Data jQuery query defaults to JPQL. JPQL does not understand table names or column names. So, using entities, since already I have user entities task with JPQL. What is JPQL? What is JPQL? Let's learn. Suspended everything makes sense. What is JPQL in scenarios? Java persistence query language, the query language for JP entry, not for database tables. Think of it like SQL talks to database, talks to Java objects. Okay. Okay. SQL plus JPQL. Select start from user task where user ID is equal to select T from user task T where T dot user ID is equal to 2. Okay. What you wrote? Okay. So if I want to write an SQL query, I will have to use the this this one right here. Let me show you this this thing. Native query is equal to true. Value is equal to this, and native query is equal to true. I have to do this if I am writing SQL query. Okay, so I will always use SQL query, not the objects. It's making I messed up in some places. Okay, so today what I did is uh, I made a user service for fetching all the tasks of a particular user and marking it as done. Another API all and done for API for user and admin, uh, listing all tasks of users. Okay, this is what I did today, and it's good. We made so much progress today, tonight. Okay, we started yesterday. It's 12:02. Okay, so I think that's enough. We made progress today. I feel good on of me, of myself. So tomorrow what we'll do? I will think what's left in the project, what I need to do. I don't know currently whatever I thought for to-do list for admin and this. For a mini project, it's more than enough because mini project doesn't contains see many projects doesn't contain this many classes. See how many classes we are having. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, see how many classes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9, 18 classes. 19, 20 classes in our mini project. Most of them are for the authentication. Okay, most of them for authentication on authorization. Business logic is very simple. Because see, many people does not use the authentication and authorization in the mini projects. They only write the business logic. So if we did this, we would have done it in 5, 6 classes, not much in 5, 6 classes and in only one stream. But we used 4 to 5 streams from last 4 to 5 streams from the start. We are doing it. We are on this project only. We made authentication, authorization, loading user from database, and I mean all the concepts of Spring, or whatever concepts are there in the Spring I have learned in the Spring, I use all in this mini project, and we are going to do the same for all the other mini projects. I mean, I'm not declaring this mini project as done, but wait, let me add it to it. I didn't, I'm not declaring it as done, but what I'm saying is we made enough for a mini project. I will think that what I need to, what I can do more on this project, and we'll see what more I can do. But I'm repeating myself. I don't have to do this. Okay, I will repeat one more time. Only one more time. I will say, I will think offline that what I can do more on this mini project. If I thinks if I think out something that I can do, then we will do it in the next stream. And if I don't, then we will start from another mini project. Okay. Uh, added user and admin services list all uh, tasks mark tasks as done. Okay. Okay, it's done. So what I was saying is I will look out for improvements, and if I say we will do it, we will make the improvements. Okay, we can, or if I don't find any other improvements or any other modules in this project, in this mini project, then we will move on and start from a new mini project. I will find an idea where to start and see. I will think that should I should I just pull the authentication code from my GitHub, or should I write it again? Right? Let's see if I write it again. I will I will be able to memorize the code. I mean, I don't have to memorize the code. I will have it always with me, but I will understand the code better. See, you understand what I'm trying to say. I will understand the code better if I write it again and again for every mini project. But I know it's time consuming, but that will help. That will really help because authentication is the one of the toughest fields in the Spring Boot. So I will think about it. What what we should do. Okay, for today it's done. I'll take a leave. Bye guys. Bye. It was a good day.